Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we will learn how to create an WhatsApp chatbot for your cinema businesses. For example, you are the owner of Cinema Theatre and you want to solve your customer queries regarding the ticket booking or the show timing details. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create an WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account of Cinema Theatre, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create an WhatsApp chatbot for your cinema business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will automatically respond to your customer. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Cinema Business, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Cinema. How can I help you? If I'll click on show times, then this bot will respond to me like this. See, today's show time at Pabbly Cinema. While providing me this, that you have to just click on the below given link and you will get a full list of what's playing today and this week. While providing me one link here, if I'll click on ticket booking, see, it will respond me like this. Basically, this is how our chatbot will work and our chatbot will respond to our customer. This bot will create it without requiring any coding or programming skills. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chat Flow. Pabbly Chat Flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right-hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chat Flow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chat Flow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you two options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chat Flow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chat Flow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages. And you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. This is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give to the name to your flow that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for cinema business, so here I am writing the name. Here I write it. After that, I'll give you a quick review about these two buttons such as message and action. Under the message, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action, you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my customer sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in which you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond any message of your customer that they were sent it to your WhatsApp business account of cinema business. In the next step, here I am adding one welcome message for my customer so that whenever they send any message to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the welcome message for my customer in my cinema house. Here I write it. After that, at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my customer, how can I help you? For this, here I am providing some buttons for my customer with the help of this plus add button. While I'll click on this, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first option, ticket booking. The second option I'll write as show time, and the third option I'll take as support. After that, I'll connect the circle of my flow starting point to the welcome message of my Pabbly Cinema. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle so that my message is connected to my flow starting point. After that, when my customer wants to know about the ticket booking of my Pabbly Cinema, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one media button. Drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of my creator. With the help of this button, click on this and upload it from your gallery. See, here I uploaded. In this enter caption box, I am writing one caption such as welcome to Pabbly Cinema. Here I write it welcome to Pabbly Cinema with the asterisk sign. With the help of this sign, this message will deliver to my customer WhatsApp business account in the bold format. After that, now I am adding one message box for my customer. For this, here I am clicking on this plus add content, choose content type as text plus button and write the message for my customer. Here I write it while providing them one link of booking tickets in my cinema house. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of ticket booking to the message where I wrote the details about the ticket booking in my Pabbly Cinema. After this, the next button is show times. When my customer wants to know the details about the show times that are available in my cinema business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the show times details of my Pabbly Cinema. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of show time to the message where I wrote the details. Now the third option is support. When my customer wants to know the contactual details of my cinema business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the contactual details of my cinema business. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message where I wrote the details. So our flow is completed. Now After the completion of our flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer by sending any message to my WhatsApp business account of Cinema Business. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabli Cinema. How can I help you? While providing me 3 options that we were written here. See, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabli Cinema. How can I help you? Ticket booking, showtime, support. Ticket booking, showtime, support. If I'll click on show times, then it will respond me like this while providing me one link of this Pabli Cinema business. If I'll click on ticket booking, then this bot will respond to me like this. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and this is how this bot will respond to your customer instantly. It will create it with the help of Pabli Chatflow. Thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabli Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabli.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabli.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabli Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabli.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabli Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.